Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best car cleaning gels available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have FiveJoy Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gels are perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. This is simple and convenient cleaning kits for electronic products and car interior and office products. This cleaning mud can be used at any time anywhere. You can take a piece of the cleaning gel kneaded into a ball, then lay the gel on the dirt surface. You can press it down for 2 to 3 times and roll slightly, then pull it up slowly. The dirt will be taken away with the cleaning gel. It can help you save more time. This is 100% eco-friendly and safe. This car cleaning gels are made of biodegradable gel, not sticky to hand. The light fragrance is very fresh and not pungent, totally no stimulation to skin. At number 5 we have Kshineni Car Cleaning Gel. This slime gel is easy to carry and could be used any dirty where. The cleaning gel can be used repeatedly until the color is darkened. After use, put the gel into the box and keep in cool place. Frist, you can use detail brush to clean the trash, dirt and dust. Then squish a small or big piece of keyboard cleaner putty gel into any dust or dirt small cracks. It takes away dust with strong adhesion. Finally pull it out. This car cleaning gel made of biodegradable gel, non-toxic. This car cleaner is safe to your skin and friendly to the environment. At number 4 we have fesciory Car Cleaning Gel. This dust cleaning gel is made of high-quality biodegradable gel material. It is friendly to the environment, non-irritating to the skin, non-sticky and smells with light fragrance. You can keep the palm dry before use. Take a piece of the keyboard cleaning gel kneaded into a ball. You can press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent and other rugged surface, roll or press slightly for about 3 to 5 seconds and then pull up slowly. The dust would be carried away with the gel. This keyboard cleaning putty could be used again and again till the color turned to dark. Then you have to replace the gel with a new one. At number 3 we have Arm Car Cleaning Gel. It is made of water, guar gum and other environmentally friendly degradable materials. It does not stick to your hands and has a light fragrance, and it will not cause any skin irritation. It is made of degradable materials. There are always some blind corners in your car that can't be cleaned with a traditional wipe. This cleaning gel could be used again and again till the color turned to dark, then you have to replace the gel with a new one. At number 2 we have NA Car Cleaning Gel. This universal dust cleaning gel provides an all-fit cleaning kit to remove dust and dirt from a small narrow place which is difficult to clean. This cleaning gel works well in picking up dust, hair crumbs from car vent, computer keyboards, printers and desktop tower case. This car cleaning slime offers a simple and kind of funny way to remove dust. You could simply knead the cleaning gel into any shape, then press the cleaning gel into the surface. And then pull out the dust, and crumbs will be carried away with the cleaning gel. This car dust remover slime can be used repeatedly until the color turns dark. Then you have to replace the cleaning slime with a new one. At number 1 we have New Psyche Car Cleaning Gel. The keyboard cleaner is made of plant rubber car air freshener which will not irritate the skin. It will not leave any toxic substances and will not harm the environment. After use it maintains a fresh smell. This keyboard cleaner slime to pull dust and breadcrumbs out of the grooves that are usually out of reach. The keyboard car cleaning gel also has a certain sterilization effect. The cleaning shovel can collect dust and garbage generated during the cleaning process. The scraper can remove the attached solids, and the air-blowing nozzle is made of metal, which is very durable and has a special long/short design which can blow out dust or absorb dust. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best car cleaning gels for your need.